Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Melly. Happy birthday. This is Joshua from Lily. Cabarate. God bless. See you.
Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. Must I beg for some affection from your direction, light up the night. Let me love you, Carmelita. Happy birthday, dear.
Happy birthday, Mommy Carmi. I love you, miss you. I love you so much. Ingat ka po dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Nay. Ingat ka po dyan palagi. See you soon. Huwag mo na kami invite pag nagpa-swimming ka. Okay lang po.
Nay, happy birthday po. God bless. Ingat po lagi dyan sa Japan. Nasa labas pa po ako eh. Tinawagan lang ako ni Paring Fox para batiin ka ng happy birthday, Nay. Ingat po lagi dyan.
Hi. Alam ko, birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday. Sa age mo, hindi pa rin halata. Maganda ka pa rin. Ang sabi ko lang sa'yo, always healthy. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Wish ko, always happy. And ingat ka lagi dyan. Sorry ha, first time ko mag-video, mag-record. Kaya hindi ako sanay. Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Sa aming beautiful and sexy na nanay, happy birthday nanay. I love you po. Wish ko po sa inyo sana palagi kayong healthy. Happy birthday po ulit, Nay. I love you po.
Good morning, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan dyan sa Japan. Hindi ka namin nakakalimutang mag-iina.
Hi Ate Melly, happy birthday. Bigyan ka pa sana ng mahabang buhay, malusog na kalusugan, tsaka lakas ng pangangatawan. Isa ka sa mga iniidolo kong babae na nagsumikap para sa mga anak niya. Happy birthday, Te. I love you.
Good morning. Happy birthday to you, my friend. Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy and strong always. God bless. Miss you.
Hey San, Melly. Have a blessed and joyous birthday to you. God bless you more and good health. And sana lagi ka mag-iingat. Uwi ka na. You deserve to be happy and chill na lang. 60 ka na pala, pero hindi halata. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat lagi. Bye.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Carmi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday from Toda.
2, 3. Happy birthday, Mel! God bless. God bless.
Good morning, Mel. Happy birthday. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Good health. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. And God bless you always. Love you, miss you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Tibel, happy 60th birthday. I wish you have a good health and more birthday to come and more money to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. God bless sa'yo. Sana lagi ka mag-iingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Cass. God bless. Ingat palagi. Enjoy your day. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Te. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo kahit wala kami. Namimiss na kita. Love you.
Hi, Tita Melly. Happy birthday po. Prayers for you is more blessings to come and best of health palagi. And more peaceful and happy life. God bless you more. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, tita. Ingat ka po palagi. Ingat sa pag-uwi mo dito. Love you po.
Mel,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Te. Ingat ka dyan.
Puro na tayo senior.
Ingat ka dyan, ha.
Umabot pa tayo ng matagal.
Happy 60th birthday, tita. Ingat ka po palagi. Mahal na mahal kita. Enjoy your day.
Hello po, Ninang Melly.
Ako po yung inaanak niyo na si Chloe po. Anak po ni Daniel at ni Nida. 10 na po ako ngayon. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ate Mel. And wish ko sa'yo ay long life and good health. Hindi na tayo nakakalabas. Pero okay lang. Video call na lang pag may time. Happy ako kasi nadala mo na yung whole family mo sa Japan. At yung iba na sa States. Happy birthday ulit and God bless. Mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto.
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day. More blessing to come. I love you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Mel. Wish you good health and more blessings and more birthdays to come. Miss you. Happy birthday, Maring Meli.
Happy birthday, Tita Mel.
Sana palaging masaya, maganda. Sana umabot pa ng maraming birthday.
Hi, Ninang. Happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-alaga and pag-support kay Mama whenever she needs help. And I know that you're a very good person. Very kind kasi you're always helping your siblings whenever they are in need. I really wish that God will give you more blessings, long life, and good health. Take care always. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Wish you all and good health. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Mel, happy 68th birthday. And wish ko sana lagi ka mag-iingat, always good health, and more blessings to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday.
Mula sa 9J Del Rosario family, happy birthday, Tita Meli! We love you!
Hi, Insan! Insan Meli, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best, and of course, the most important things na i-wish ko sa iyo is a good health. I hope na hindi ka na ma-hospital. Just enjoy on your birthday, and basta enjoy lang ang life, and thank the Lord for giving you another year of your life, for giving you another opportunity na to celebrate your birthday. Be thankful and be grateful na for all the blessings na natatanggap mo, and thank you so much for asking me to have a greetings on your birthday. Happy birthday, Insan. Love you.
Go.
Game, ha? Happy birthday, Maring Mel. Welcome to senior. Wish you good health and happiness. Kailan na naman kaya tayo magkikita? Anyway, proud na proud ako sa inaanak ko, si Poyi, at sa mga apo natin.
Okay.
Basta ako, I'm glad na na-reach natin ang ganitong edad. Happy 60th birthday. Love you. You pa.
Oh, ako na daw. Happy birthday, Mars. Oh.
Saan mo baka hindi ka marinig?
Ano ba yung happy 60th birthday, and sana lumigaya ka pa. Ganun. At saka marami pang taon na darating para sa iyo at sa buong pamilya mo. Maligayang bati. Okay.
Love you.
Asa na? Ayan.
Uy, August 3 na. Welcome sa pagka-senior. Mars, 60 ka na. Pare-pareho na tayong 60. Happy birthday. I love you. Hi, Tita Melly. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat na itinulong mo sa amin ng pamilya ko. At lagi kang mag-iingat dyan sa Japan. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo palagi. Hindi namin makakalimutan lahat ng tinulong mo sa amin. Ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, more blessings to come. I love you so much. And I miss you.
Happy birthday,
Ta.
Mary.
Ingat ka lagi dyan.
I love you.
Love you. Salamat sa tulong, Ta, sa lahat. Ingat ka lagi.
I love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sana tumagal pa. Long life para sa'yo, Ta.
I love you.
Hi, Mommy Carmi! Happy birthday po! Birthday po! More birthdays to come and stay healthy po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Ingat po palagi. Yung handa po, 2 cup noodles.
From US to Japan, happy birthday, Nanay! We love you! Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Miss. I love you. I miss you. Lagi ka po ingat. Ma. Kiss mo. Kiss mo. Show mo daw yung bunny.
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you for giving me chocolate and food, a lot of food, and
Birthday party.
birthday party.
Yeah.
Thank
Happy birthday, Nay. Happy birthday.
Yeah,
I
enjoy.
love you.
Yeah, bye-bye, love you.
Bye-bye, I love you.
Mhm.
Chuchu, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you. And I wish you to have a great day.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for always being nice to me. Take care. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!
We love you.
Thank you.
Hello, hi sweetie. Happy birthday. Ano ba sabihin ko sa'yo? Anyway, congratulations. Nakaabot ka na sa 60. So, ang dapat mong gawin ngayon is magpahinga na. Okay? Anyway, I hope you're enjoying ang dinner niyo dyan. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ibibigay ni JR itong video sa'yo. But ang message ko lang sa'yo is now that you're 60, it's about time na isipin mo naman yung sarili mo. Okay? Pag kailan mo na pahinga, mag-enjoy ng the rest of over 60. Hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo eh. So, tapos na lahat yung obligasyon mo, lahat ng responsibilidad mo, okay na yun. It's time to look after yourself, enjoy life, and see what you can do na ma-enjoy mo naman lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Makasama mo yung mga bata, mga apo mo, makasama mo ako, di ba? But anyway, ayoko na masyado magtagal. Meron pa akong 36, 2 minutes lang inain ko sa video ko eh. Baka masyadong mahaba. I hope you're here, sweetie. Sana nandito ka na, celebrate natin pagka 60 mo, kasama yung pamilya mo. And whoever, kung sino man na nandito. But just the same, enjoy yung day mo today. God bless you. May you have good health, peace of mind, more blessings, more wealth, Yung more wealth there, then pwede na siguro kahit konti lang. Okay? Ayan na. Nag-alarm na yung timer ko. So, ganun lang. I hope nagustuhan mo yung yung pinadala ko dyan. I'm not really sure kung dadating sa oras, but I hope dumating. Patay na nga to. Okay? So, anyway, enjoy the company, enjoy the time. Huwag ka magkaisadong papalate, huwag ka agad maaga. And most of all, remember na I love you palagi. Kahit pa paano maganda tayo kalayo, I still love you. Okay? Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit. Mali yata ako sa sinabi ko doon sa message ko doon sa sa yung maliit na card. Hindi ko yata dapat sinulat happy 60th birthday. Dapat yata happy birthday lang eh. Anyway, okay lang yun. Sige na. Bye-bye na. Enjoy. And kain mabuti. Take care of your health. Okay? Bye. Love you.